Okay, Harvey the Silver Fox here. I happen to be in my live online training room. In about 30 minutes, I'm going to be meeting some of my students in here and do some personal one-on-one coaching and training. But what I thought I'd do is make this video and talk about last Tuesday's meetup session at the Scottsdale library with YouTube Bootcamp. In fact, let's click through here. Of course, when you do land on SilverFoxMeetup.com, I want you to make sure that you do register here, become a member of this meetup group here. Now, for those who are outside the Phoenix, well, it's actually Scottsdale area, or the Arizona area, or the U.S., which I have a lot of my members in the U.K. and Australia and throughout the whole world. Obviously, you're not going to be able to attend these Tuesday evening sessions. In fact, the next one's going to be right here, January 21st. And of course, I want to make sure I register to attend. So that's not a problem because I do have a online training room, which I'm in right now. In fact, let me register here. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going. All right. So where was I? Those who cannot attend, don't worry about it. Because Sherry and Sal, in fact, let's do this. Just take a look at last Tuesday's event here. There's some photos here. They did a group folder here. This is Sal right over here. And this is Sherry. And of course, this is me. This gentleman here, talk about energy. This guy is full of energy. He's so positive. When I was talking to him, I mean, I got excited. All right. This is what's great about meeting people in person. All kinds of different personalities. I think this lady here has a bakery. She's learning how to build or get traffic to her bakery in YouTube. But what I'm trying to say is all kinds of personalities. If at all possible, you need to attend these Tuesday evening meetup groups over here at the Scottsdale Library Tuesday evening. Now, for those, like I say, who are not able to attend, not a problem. I'm going to show you a few things here. When you do land on this page, even though you're in the UK, Australia, Canada, or whatever, just make sure that you subscribe and become a member here. All right, not a problem. But here's what I want you to do. In the description of this video, or if you scroll down here, the YouTube Masterclass, I want you to purchase this YouTube Masterclass that Sherry and Sal have. And it teaches you how to set up your channel, YouTube channel. I mean, Tuesday night, she did a training on Twitter. All right. What a great training that was, Sherry. Fantastic. So these are some of the things you're going to learn if you cannot attend these Tuesday evening classes. So channel strategy, video strategy, filming 101, editing 101, the channel foundation, extremely important. Creator Studio, build an audience and make money. Now, when you do purchase this, and if you do have questions, of course, right here, all you have to do is come here, HarveySilverFoxMeetup.com, and it's by appointment only because there again, I get people from Australia around the world, and their daytime is my nighttime, so we have to schedule a time to meet in the training room so I can help you out. So what you're going to do is you're just going to send an email here. Those locally, or those throughout the United States, you can actually call me if you wish. But I'll actually help you out when you purchase Sherry and Sal's YouTube Bootcamp Masterclass training, online training here, all right? Okay, a little bit about me. I've been online for years, 20 years. I've been focusing on YouTube for the last about 15 years. I try to make 1 or 2, sometimes I make 5 videos. This is my second video today. I make at least 2 videos a day. So you can imagine how many videos I have out there. In fact, if you want to take a look at my videos, some of my videos, you can come down here and click here. It's going to take you over there. In fact, let's see what happens here. And or you can just type in HarveySilverFox, and you're going to find all my, not all of them, but you're going to probably find over 1,000 videos right here. The reason I'm telling you this and showing you this is you need to be in the position that I am. You need every day to make 1 or 2 videos every day. And you need to start sometime. And after, a month, if you make a couple videos a day, you can have 60 videos out there working for you. And of course, 90 days, over a year, you're going to be caught up to these 1,000 videos that I have. But that's what this HarveySilverFox.com is all about, is so that you can learn how to make videos for your money-making opportunity, your business, or for maybe a local business, maybe go in the business of helping other people make videos. You have it all right here, HarveySilverFox.com. So right here, as soon as you land, this video is going to start talking to you, all right? And of course, right down here is where you can get a 7-day trial of this auto video production tools, piece of software here. You can virtually make, like I say, 2 to 5 videos, taking you about 1 hour, 2 hours a day with this software. So what you want to do is watch this video here. And in addition to that, when I finish up producing this part of the video, it's going to segue in where Luke is going to start talking to you automatically here. So what I'm trying to say is this software will do all kinds of neat things for you, including if you want to make your own video and then segue it into the software, you can do that too. So you're going to see how it works firsthand in just a minute. Okay, I'm going to keep this short because I have my students coming in. Before you leave, or actually once you finish watching this video, make sure you watch this video all the way through, because at the very end of this video, I have a free offer for you. And you're not going to get that free offer unless you watch the video all the way through. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and there's a little bell down there. I want you to ring that little bell, because every time that I make a new video, whether it's training, in fact, there's a training video down here that I think you're going to find very interesting. I give you all kinds of tips and ideas. It's rather long, but that's not a problem. Hey, one of my relatives is a brain surgeon. Okay. Took him like 10 years. All right. So what I'm trying to say is you need to slow down and learn how to do this business the right way. And like I say right here, this YouTube masterclass, you're going to learn all kinds of very important information and training on how to build your YouTube business. So just slow down, take your time, and come back here often, because I'm going to keep adding training videos back here. And most of these videos are free, training videos that I add. So ring that bell. Subscribe to this channel. Share this video, like this video, and make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end, because I have a free offer for you. Okay? Until next week, this is Harvey the Silver Fox. Let's go make some money on YouTube.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Luke, and I'm going to take over for Harvey and do the voiceover for this video, and show you how easy this auto video production software works. In the rest of this video, I'm going to give you a few ideas on how to produce 1 to 5 YouTube videos a day, dominating your competition, pushing them to the 2nd and 3rd page. If you are camera shy, I will do the voiceover for you if you wish. Do you want a female voice? I have a female associate who can stand in for me doing the voiceover for your videos. This powerful video production software will automatically select the scenes for you related to your content. An example might be if you are showcasing a fitness video. This image scene you are looking at right now was generated by this software. How about video clips? Yes, this software has hundreds of video clips like the one you are watching right now. Do you have your own video clips? You can insert your own video clips any place you like. I'm sure you have noticed the content in these scenes. Before you get started with scenes and selecting a voiceover, you will write your entire video content in this software. Then once you are happy with the content, this software will select the best scene related to the content you wrote. You can request to have me do the voiceover, or you can actually read the content yourself. It's easy to produce 1 to 2, even 5 videos a day with this software, taking no longer than an hour or 2. As you probably know, YouTube does not allow the same video loaded several times on your channel. This software has hundreds of background music tracks. All you need to do is take a previously made video and load a different background music track, and now you have a new video that YouTube will allow you to upload. Think about this for a minute. What if you could upload 5 to 10 different keyword videos a day? After a week, you could have 35 to 70 videos working for you 24/7. After a month, 1,050 to 2,100 videos working for you 24/7, generating traffic and making you money. After a year? Well, you do the math. Imagine having thousands of videos for your business, completely overpowering your competition for a Google and YouTube search. Harvey says he has 200 videos for one of his business offers, where if anyone does a keyword search, all they see are his videos with his competitors' videos showing 10 to 20, even 30 listings below. In fact, Harvey just may do that with this video. If you do a search on YouTube typing in Harvey Silver Fox, you will find Harvey has over 1,000 videos dating back 10 or more years. Harvey says it's like playing Monopoly. He calls his videos real estate. Each time he produces a video, it's like having rental property when playing Monopoly. Every time someone lands on Boardwalk, Park Place, Marvin Gardens, he makes money. Let me ask you this. How much have you spent in the last year to advertise your business? Videos are free to make, excluding this software. In Harvey's live training room, he will teach you how to keyword your videos to rank them with your competition. Yes. As a Silver Fox JV member, Harvey will meet you in his live online training room and help you produce your videos with this powerful video producing software, and teach you how to rank them at the top with your competition. Changing direction for a minute. This software offers a perfect money-making opportunity working from home. What if you produce videos for local businesses using Harvey's video ranking techniques, moving that competitor's video to the bottom or the second page, as I talked about a few minutes ago? Here's what you do. Find a business category such as real estate, insurance, auto repair, restaurants, plumbers, and yes, maybe personal fitness trainers. Produce several videos for each category and rank them, pushing the competition to the second page. Contact that business and ask if they want to rent or buy your video. If they say no, say, "Not a problem, I'll contact your competitor and ask if they want it." What's great about this sales technique is, if you get your video ranked above that business's video, they would be motivated to take you up on your offer. I think you get the idea, the several ways you can make money with this software. As an example, Harvey will produce a free trial video using this software for your business to show you how it works. Hey, if you do not want to keep that video, not a problem. He will offer that video to your competition. Okay. I think you get the idea. Follow the arrow and scroll down in the description of this video to request your free video for your business and find a 7-day free trial for this powerful video production software.